Peanuts, scientifically known as Arachis hypogaea, have a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Originating in South America, peanuts quickly spread across the globe, becoming a staple in various cuisines. The rise of peanuts as a popular snack can be attributed to their accessibility, versatility, and delightful taste. Peanuts have become a ubiquitous and beloved snack, enjoyed in various forms from creamy peanut butter to roasted peanuts and everything in between. As a staple in many households, peanuts not only satisfy our taste buds, but also offer a plethora of health benefits. In this video, we delve into the fascinating realm of what happens when you make peanuts a daily part of your diet. So, without further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Improved heart health. One of the key components that make peanuts heart-friendly is their high monounsaturated fat content. These are the healthy fats that have been associated with numerous cardiovascular benefits. Monounsaturated fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL cholesterol, while simultaneously boosting good cholesterol levels, HDL cholesterol. By promoting a healthier lipid profile, peanuts contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis. Peanuts are packed with antioxidants, and among them is resveratrol, a compound also found in red wine. Resveratrol has gained attention for its potential to protect the heart by reducing inflammation and preventing damage to blood vessels. These antioxidants work together to combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to heart-related issues. Regular consumption of peanuts can act as a shield, safeguarding your heart from the detrimental effects of free radicals. Magnesium, an essential mineral abundant in peanuts, plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. A diet rich in magnesium has been linked to lower blood pressure levels, reducing the strain on the heart. Peanuts, with their magnesium content, contribute to maintaining a healthy blood pressure range, which is pivotal for overall cardiovascular well-being. Peanuts showcase their heart protective qualities by not only reducing LDL cholesterol levels, but also by enhancing HDL cholesterol levels. High-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, is often referred to as the good cholesterol, as it helps remove other forms of cholesterol from your bloodstream. By promoting this beneficial cholesterol, peanuts actively participate in creating a cardiovascular environment that is less prone to plaque formation and blockages in the arteries. Number 2. Enhanced brain function. Peanuts are abundant in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known for its role in supporting cognitive function. Vitamin E helps protect the brain cells from oxidative stress, which can contribute to cognitive decline. Regular intake of peanuts ensures a sustained supply of this essential vitamin, offering a shield against the aging processes that can impact memory and cognitive abilities. The presence of flavonoids in peanuts adds another layer of support for brain health. Flavonoids are plant compounds with antioxidant properties that have been associated with improved cognitive function. These natural compounds may enhance memory and learning by promoting better blood flow to the brain and protecting neurons from damage. Including peanuts in your daily diet provides a tasty and accessible way to incorporate these beneficial flavonoids. Peanuts, although not traditionally associated with omega-3 fatty acids, contain a modest amount of alpha-linolenic acid, a precursor to essential omega-3s. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of brain cells and facilitating communication between neurons. While not as potent as those found in fatty fish, the omega-3s in peanuts still contribute to overall cognitive health, promoting better memory and concentration. The protein and healthy fats in peanuts offer a sustained source of energy that is beneficial for cognitive tasks. Protein is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that enable communication between brain cells. Additionally, the healthy fats in peanuts provide a steady supply of energy to the brain, supporting focus and concentration throughout the day. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. We're here to help. Now, let's get back. Number 3. Weight management. Peanuts are a powerhouse of protein, a macronutrient known for its ability to induce a feeling of fullness and satiety. Including protein-rich snacks in your diet, such as peanuts, can help curb cravings and reduce the likelihood of overeating. The sustained feeling of fullness also contributes to better appetite control, making it easier to adhere to a balanced and controlled eating pattern. Snacking is a common stumbling block for many individuals attempting to manage their weight. The combination of protein and healthy fats in peanuts can act as a satiating snack, reducing the temptation to reach for less nutritious options between meals. Snacking on peanuts provides a satisfying and nutrient-dense alternative, helping you stay on track with your weight management goals. Peanuts, rich in protein, can potentially boost your metabolism. The thermic effect of food, the energy required to digest and process nutrients, is higher for protein compared to fats and carbohydrates. By incorporating peanuts into your diet, you may enhance the calorie-burning process during digestion, albeit to a modest extent. This metabolic boost can be a valuable component of an overall weight management strategy. The combination of protein and healthy fats in peanuts contributes to a balanced and sustained release of energy. Unlike sugary snacks that cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, peanuts provide a more stable and prolonged source of energy. This steadiness in energy release helps prevent the energy crashes that often lead to cravings for unhealthy snacks, thereby supporting weight management efforts. Number 4. Improved skin health. One of the key contributors to improved skin health in peanuts is their rich content of vitamin E. This potent antioxidant plays a pivotal role in protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals, generated by factors such as exposure to UV rays and environmental pollutants, can accelerate the aging process of the skin. Vitamin E in peanuts helps neutralize these free radicals, promoting a more youthful and resilient complexion. Peanuts are a source of zinc, a mineral crucial for wound healing and collagen production. Collagen is the structural protein that provides elasticity to the skin. Adequate zinc levels support the formation of collagen, aiding in the maintenance of skin integrity and suppleness. Additionally, zinc possesses anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to the overall health and appearance of the skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of peanuts extend to the skin, making them a potential ally for those prone to acne and skin inflammation. Inflammation is a common factor in various skin conditions, and by incorporating peanuts into your diet, you may experience a reduction in inflammatory responses that contribute to acne breakouts. However, individual reactions can vary, and consulting with a dermatologist is advisable for personalized skincare advice. Healthy fats found in peanuts, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, contribute to improved skin hydration and moisture retention. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness. By including peanuts in your diet, you provide your skin with the building blocks it needs to maintain a healthy moisture balance, promoting a soft and supple complexion. Number 5. Enhanced muscle recovery. At the heart of peanuts' contribution to muscle recovery lies their protein content. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles, and adequate protein intake is essential for the repair and growth of muscle tissues. Peanuts, with their protein-rich profile, provide a convenient plant-based source of this vital nutrient. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout or seeking to build lean muscle mass, incorporating peanuts can support your protein requirements. Inflammation is a natural response to exercise-induced muscle damage, but excessive or prolonged inflammation can impede the recovery process. Peanuts, with their anti-inflammatory properties, can help mitigate inflammation, promoting a quicker and more efficient recovery. This anti-inflammatory effect is attributed to various compounds present in peanuts, including polyphenols and antioxidants. Magnesium, found abundantly in peanuts, plays a crucial role in muscle function and relaxation. After strenuous exercise, muscles can become tense and fatigued. Magnesium aids in the relaxation of muscles, reducing post-exercise stiffness and discomfort. Including peanuts in your diet ensures a natural source of magnesium, contributing to overall muscle health and facilitating a smoother recovery process. Peanuts' anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties, coupled with their protein content, collectively contribute to minimizing exercise-induced soreness. The amino acids provided by the protein in peanuts support the repair of micro tears in muscle fibers that occur during physical activity. This, in turn, helps alleviate soreness and enhances the overall recovery experience. Number 6. Better digestive health. Peanuts are rich in dietary fiber, a key component for maintaining digestive regularity. Fiber adds bulk to stool, facilitating its movement through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. Including peanuts in your diet ensures a natural and enjoyable way to meet your daily fiber requirements, promoting a healthy and well-functioning digestive system. The prebiotic properties of peanuts support the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiota, play a crucial role in digestive health and overall well-being. By nourishing these beneficial microbes, peanuts contribute to a balanced and thriving gut environment, which is essential for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. The combination of fiber and prebiotics in peanuts aids in reducing common digestive discomforts, such as constipation and bloating. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements, while prebiotics support a healthy balance of gut bacteria, minimizing bloating and gas. This dual action contributes to a more comfortable and seamless digestive experience. Regular consumption of peanuts has been associated with a potential decrease in the risk of certain gastrointestinal disorders. The fiber content in peanuts supports the overall health of the digestive tract, and the prebiotic properties contribute to a microbiome environment that may protect against conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD. Considering the myriad benefits discussed, there's a compelling case for integrating peanuts into your daily dietary routine. Whether you choose to enjoy them as a convenient snack, incorporate peanut butter into your breakfast, or include crushed peanuts in your salads, the options are diverse and delicious. While peanuts offer an array of health benefits, it's crucial to emphasize moderation and balance in dietary choices. Like any food, excessive consumption can lead to unintended consequences. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to optimal health. Peanuts can be a valuable addition to this repertoire, contributing to overall nutrition and wellness. That's it. See you in the next video.